In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cart icon in the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll start by grabbing a new cart icon, then we'll replace the default icon directly in your theme code. Don't worry if you're not very technical. I'll walk you through each part slowly and clearly. First, we need an SVG cart icon. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type free SVG vector icon and hit enter. From the results, look for a site called SVG repo. Click that, and once you're on the website, use the search bar at the top and type cart, then press enter again. You'll now see a variety of cart icons in different styles. Take a moment to scroll and choose one that matches the look and feel of your store. When you click on an icon, you'll see a larger preview of it. At the bottom left of that preview, find and click the option that says Edit Vector. A pop-up window will open. You could customize the icon here, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it simple. Look at the bottom left of that pop-up and click Copy SVG. This copies the SVG code to your clipboard, which is exactly what we need. Next, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click Online Store. This will open the Themes page, where you'll see a list of your themes with your current live theme at the top. On that current theme, click the button with the 3 horizontal dots, and from the drop-down menu, choose Edit Code. The code editor will open, and on the left panel, you'll see folders like Layout, Templates, and Sections. Click the little right-pointing arrow next to Sections to expand it. Inside this list, look for a file named something like carticon.bubble.liquid and click it. On the right side, you'll see the code for that section. Look for the part that refers to icon cart empty SVG inline asset content. This controls how your cart icon looks when the cart is empty. Carefully highlight the existing SVG code there, and then paste the SVG code you copied earlier from SVG repo. This replaces the default empty cart icon with your new design. Just below that, you'll see another section labeled icon cart SVG inline asset content. This one is used when the cart already has items in it. If you want the filled cart state to use the same new icon or a slightly different version, repeat the same process. Highlight the existing SVG code and paste in the SVG you want to use. When you're finished making these changes, go to the top right corner of the code editor and click Save. Once it's saved, go to your storefront, refresh the page, and check the cart icon in both empty and filled states to make sure everything looks the way you want.